promise that I ain't going nowhere. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going.
Hey my lovies, I hope you guys are good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mrs. Mbenge, usoyama umakoti waseqala intombi yaseMount Fletcher. Welcome guys. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, please like, please comment, please ask questions if you have any questions. And then if you are returning sabi, hello my lovey. As you know guys, kubana kumnandi apha, I'm welcoming you back. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. There's nothing much up okay guys, there's nothing much. So today it is Thursday. We are going to do a shopping, winter clothes for abantwana. So sizaya eThekwini for a shopping yabo sisempahla because impahla zewinter abanazo and kuyabanda ngoku yabo. Bembathengele last year impahla zewinter, so they are due for impahla zewinter. And then yeah, I'm planning not to buy because most of the time I always buy quality impahla, so I'm planning to buy nakwezinye shops. I saw comments on a special and banendo is nice, so ndizakuya phayana, and then after I'll go to Woolworths. And then also I'm planning to go Shit Street because I need to buy izinto zebhedi for ezilalini, endlini yethu ezilalini. So yeah, so I need to go Shit Street and make sure ndiyazifumana izinto ndizifunayo. And then yeah, that's it. Yeah, I need a drink. Okay, for you too. Say hi, my people.
Hiya, people.
Okay. I think I'll. Oh, Sana guys, tell me. You don't need winter clothes like Sana, guys. No. Ningabi nabantwana ke Sana, ngixelele. Ningakulingi tu. So yeah, siphuma e-comments. Ngilothenga impahla zabo. Then yeah, kuyiloo nto imbi yeempahla zewinter, kuyabanda. It's so cold. It's cold. Yeah. And then I will need in. I'm not sure if there are any. Because I don't like buying shoes, to be honest. That's what I'm saying. This is a good shoes, right? Maybe not covers, is the cushions, you know, inside the city cushions. But much cheaper than buying the actual thingy, cushion. Many colors. This would be nice. We take it Manisha. This one. Can I plug? I'm in a lane. Yeah, and then we get in the bed. Put the bed. So much nice. As in, this one, I was sun. Oh, Mulani.
Bubble. Let's
Why even going tapos? This one is nice then. No. Yeah?
Use uterine mouse. Can you lower?
Too much. No, it's about too much. This color and maybe it's hard. Yeah. This one would be nice, man.
Yeah, but that too. Okay.
Because in Bolan or this one. Oh, yeah.
Hi, Charlie.
Yeah.
No call the petting.
Too much, ne?
Charlie.
Wait. Oh, and so we see this side. Okay, now. Let's go.
Let me just put my stuff down. Okay, because I missed this one. Now, what's it know? And I'm going to check at the back. Okay. But you tell us that, no? Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Is a kapska 100. What is it? Oh, come on. Yeah? Scrap? What is that? I want to get some. This one is small. I like those.
This is good.
Yeah. It's nice as well.
No, but it's okay.
No, but it's nice.
Ah, small.
I also like this one. Some oriental. And then you can put your things.
Hello, brown.
So nice.看这个树树，那有就是你听那玩的 A comments，呢，所以那个，and also 把树是那两个眼里，so I don't want in the the light is there enough. Alright, you're right. I'm going to right. I think I bought her some nice things. Some rings is I didn't see rings. That was so nice. You are so cute, Sana. You are so cute. Like sitting in lap like. I got here something like this today. Guys, tell me, even the shopping for abantwana, your things are so expensive. I just spent 5,000. Like I think it's more than 5. It's more than 5,000 that I just spent. Imagine, things are expensive. Shame. Siyadura izinto. That's all I can say. Like they are so expensive. No guys, Ziyadura even clothes son. Like Ziyadura. I cannot believe I just spent more than 7,000 now for Imbala. Also, I just bought some nice bedding for baby today. Is like can't wait to show you guys. Can't wait to unbox with you. Like the checkers are Nandi. Yeah. So I just bought some stuff and I think it's a skirt for there are so few things that I need to buy, guys. For Isladin. So otherwise Imbata Ziyadura. That's all I can say. Imbata Ziyadura sana. They are so expensive. And there's this one. Oh tata yonke into like yonke rebona yayithatha. Now gosh, I think it's 10 to 8. So we're driving home. It's so we had no other time to do shopping today. So yeah, it's time. Let's go. I don't know the time. guys, I'm past member. I'm so fast. Look at me. Look at me. But again, I needed this. Like, when the phone at the hook, I'm so fast. Yeah, it's like so fast. We are done. Hey my lovies, so we decided to go see a tanga in. Okay, come Ise. Ise? Aibo. So see, it's Friday. Woo. So it's Friday. Wait, I need a cake here. So we need Sifuna eat dessert. Yeah, bo. And then we are here for a cake. It's Friday and not dessert. And we are asking cake and breastfeeding. I'm not sure which one should I take. I know this one is nice, but I think if I could try a nice, like a new one, and yes, thinking about this one. I wonder how does it taste. Maybe it's nice because I know that one, and it's too sweet. That's the thing. I think let me go with this one. Maybe it's nice. I hope it is nice. Okay, no. Let me go with the one that I know. It's close. Let's go. Let's go and pay, ne? You want the cake? Yeah. Outside. So guys, so we thought let's grab a cake, engine lab close enough for a cake. So yeah, I see this is non-alcoholic. Thinking of buying this one also. I don't remember when it was the last time Sana took champagne. See if I could get this one. Thinking, hey, let me take it. Oh, sorry. Come. Doing school is easy. Easy, are you going to school?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, baby. This is a pop for a. I will. Pause it, we are pausing support. So quiet apha ebusuku sana emini indlela kuba busy ngayo emini sana yo nansi ibabalo and there's someone ubalekayo sana this time. Maybe it's nice, ne? Man. But sana ungathi kusebusuku kakhulu. But akho nto izakwenzeka. Imoto. And they know abantu like yeah, and also like abantu mhlambi abangahlali apha ne bayayazi bana they will get mhlawumbe izinto ezininzi mhlawumbe because there's i-township that is closer, which is inandos eTyfontein yabo. So yeah, that could happen. Ish. And also xa ubaleka yawuzude mhlawumbi kuthiwa uphethe into ifuna into yozikhusela khona uzayiphatha. Sihleli ke sana kusebusuku, that's why ndebe-gowns. Sihleli apha sizibekelele i-Koreans. We enjoy i-Koreans game nomyeni wam. And then abantwana balele. So ndiphethe ishampombo apha, as you can see. It's not alcoholic ke, as you know ubana ndingumdlezana. So nice. So there's something celebrate but ngoku sizanixelela later on, yabo, not ngoku kusekutsha, yabo. So it is exciting. So yeah guys, we're just chilling, and then I will have a cake with a shampoo, and then yeah, I think sizolala mhlambi around 12 because even the baby is usahleli, yabo, usahleli naye. So akonto ingako we enjoy ubukela ilandos i-Koreans, and then sizonxelela indaba zethu. Yeah, there's nothing much.